a bit of a southerly blowing. Okay. There's a drummer spot right there. Not a bad sight, is it? No, I don't think you'll be getting that. Oh, hell. Yeah. I think I was getting wet. Did you get wet, John?
Yeah.
This is kanji. This is what we use for catching drummer. And they're pesky seagulls. In Mimosa Rocks. There he is, the fisherman.
Yep.
Got something to say, Rob?
Morning, Paul.
We're gonna go kill a few drummer and what else, and whatever else jumps on the line. Bloody flies everywhere. Seems as though we have a whale out here. There he is. Let's see if he comes up again. There he is. Must be doing a backstroke, I think. Well, there's the fishermen. They caught all the fish. Wasn't my day today. Well, not today. John put the shame on me today. That's where we're trying to catch the drummer. Might even go back there and have another look. Mimosa Rocks. We're going to Mimosa Beach. See if we can get some more drummer. I did manage to catch one. Only one. So I better catch up with the boys. Not a bad little parking area here. The fisherman. Okay, this is Bunga Beach. Bunga Beach.
No flathead.
Yeah, no flathead. Rocks.
I've actually caught a big flathead just
Here we are trying to get some crabs. So, see if we can zoom in there and see any. Here's John. He's got himself one nice fish. jagged coastline. There's the bit of water we're fishing.
Smell of this.
Come back to our drummer spot. There's an old riverbed where the Bega River used to come out, they tell me. It's wild and woolly and no real fishing spots. I think we'll head back. This was a big deep hole here 3 days ago, and we were standing here fishing with water coming just round the edge of the rock here. Look at it, completely gone. Completely gone. So we were going to come and fish this today, but I think we're going to have to find another spot. Unbelievable how it changed. I've never seen it like this. Well, we'll see what happens. There must be some here somewhere.